Hey, what's up? It's Mike, Icee. Today I'm going to show you how to change the spark plugs in your E350 Mercedes. We're going to go over everything quickly and efficiently. We're going to go over the parts you need, the tools you need, and then the tactical in-field. I'm going to show you how to do it step by step, okay?
Okay, so for the parts, you're going to need 6 spark plugs, okay? These ones are from the dealer. These ones were made in Japan, so they were NGK plugs. Last time the dealer had Bosch plugs. I prefer NGK. So you'll need obviously 6 plugs, and then you'll need, right here, here's the part number, some grease for spark plug adapters. And now this grease will go on right here. It will not go on here. These are the only parts you'll need. Make sure you save this because it's like $10, but it'll last at least 3 spark plug changes. Okay, for the tools, you're going to need a torque wrench, a 5/8 spark plug socket, a 6-inch extender, a Torx bit, I believe it's a T25, and something to check the gaps with, okay? And then in the owner's manual, if you look up, for your car, you'll find the spark plug tightening torque. Make sure you check this with your particular year and model. And then here's the gap, the ideal gap for the electrode. And it's a range, I went right in the middle. I went for 22.5. And then here on the bottom, you'll find the spark plug type that you need in case you're going aftermarket. But I highly recommend it from the dealer because they're only $1 more. And I've never had anything, go bad with them. So basically, okay, so this is obviously the old used one, but before you start going and installing them, I always like to check the gap. So this is the closest one to my gap. So this should barely slide in like that, Obviously this one's worn. In fact, it's so worn, even and that's definitely out of spec, 0.035. On the new ones, this would never go through, but here you can see it actually goes through. Okay, the first thing you want to do is you want to reach back here and pop that off. You may need a screwdriver, but usually you don't. Boom. Then come over here. Next, just go ahead and unplug these. Okay. You may or may not want to unplug it from here. Sometimes it makes it easier. Okay, when those are unplugged, go ahead and reach up here and just pull up. And then remove this with both hands because you don't want to fuck up the thing in the back. Okay, next you'll find the coils. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I always do one at a time. You just go in here and you undo these. Okay, once you undo those two, I think they're T30 Torx, go ahead and just grab it and pull it out. I don't even unplug it, I just pull it out all the way. I put it aside. And now you've got access to the spark plug. Okay. It's a 5/8 drive. Go ahead and drop it in there and then put on your ratchet. Alrighty, and then we'll put on our ratchet. I'm gonna do it with both hands, stabilize it with this hand, and then with my other hand, I'm gonna undo it. Okay, and there's my plug. Okay, there we go. Okay, brand new plug. And then you just go right in there. And always hand tighten her first. Never go in with a ratchet or anything like that. Take your time, don't worry. This is how you won't fuck up your cylinder head. And then when you first put on the torque wrench, don't worry if it moves quite a bit. It's because you're flattening the seal. There's like a gasket seal. Okay. Oh, there we go. See how it's nice and tight now? Now we'll go for the torque wrench. Good. Perfect. Okay, here we go. That's it, and then you just put your screws back and tighten them. Okay, you'll definitely know when it pops in on those four. Nice and solid. Reach back here. Flick that on there. Next here, this tube right here, make sure it goes into the hole. There you go. Match up your arrows. Okay. Then you gotta make these clips. Keep in mind, all these clips are replaceable, so if you fuck them up, just buy new ones. You don't want your shit to be all squeaky and weird. And then you just put it on like so. That's it. You saved yourself 200 bucks. Everything's on nicely. Make sure these are on all the way. They are. All right, awesome. Okay, the engine's on, no check engine, no nothing. Everything's smooth and beautiful. Hey, what's up? It's Mike Icee. I hope you learned something new in this video. I really appreciate all of you. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment below. As always, all right, peace. Bye, motherfuckers.